Hello and welcome to part 67. In this video, we will learn what are dictionary in C#. So dictionary is a generic collection which is generally used to store key value pairs. What do we mean by key value pairs? Key value pairs is like when you want to store some data in this format. The data will have one key and there will be some value that will be assigned to it. So in our case, here you can see name is the key here and Bob is the value that is getting stored here. On the left hand side, you can see all the keys: name, age, job, city, and email. And on the right hand side, you can see the values that are stored in. So basically, key value pairs can be used to store multiple type of data. So let's open up the Visual Studio and understand how we can create a dictionary and how we can store key value pairs inside a dictionary. Okay, so I have opened up my Visual Studio. To create a dictionary, you need to use the dictionary class. And dictionary is a generic. It means you can specify the type of key and the value you want to store. In my case, let's say I want to keep key of string type and value is also of string type. Okay, let me provide a name to my dictionary. Let's say demo. And let's use the new keyword and create an object of a dictionary. Right? So now the dictionary is created, but currently there is nothing inside our dictionary. To add objects or to add key value pairs inside a dictionary, we need to use add method. Okay, so on my demo dictionary, I can call add method. And if you notice here, the IntelliSense is giving us the suggestion. I need to pass a string key and a string value because I have created my dictionary of string comma string, meaning I have declared key will be of string type and value will also be of string type. So guys, dictionaries are type safe. If I try to pass some integer here, 23, and some numbers, you can notice we will get the compilation error. Compiler will give us the error. It will say cannot convert integer to string. Okay, so dictionaries are type safe, so we need to pass the correct data type. Let's pass name and let's pass the value as Bob. Okay, let's pass one more key value pair. Let's pass age and let's pass the value as 25. Right, so this is how we can use add method and add key value pairs in our dictionary. Now let's see how we can iterate through the dictionary and read the values which we have added here. For this, you can use a for each loop. So what you can do in for each loop, you can say where key. So whatever key we are getting from the demo.keys will give us all the keys which are available in demo dictionary, right? If you see the return type of the key property, it is a key collection, so it will give us the list of keys. So now what we can do, let's print the value that is available for this particular key. Let me first print the key and then the value. To get the value, I need to simply call demo and within the square bracket, I can pass the key like this. And if I run my program now, you can see we are able to read all the keys: name, Bob, age, 25. So this is one of the way to iterate through the dictionary and get the access to the values which are stored in it. On this slide, you can see some of the features that are available in dictionary. First one is dictionary class is present in system.collection.generic namespace. Right? Second one is when creating a dictionary, we need to specify the type of key and value. If you remember, in Visual Studio, we have specified the type of key and the value we want to store. And the next one is dictionary provides fast lookups for values using keys. So instead of iterating through the complete collection, we can directly use a key and fetch some particular value. Let me show you how. Currently, there are two key value pairs in my dictionary, but it can be in thousands or millions. If I try to give a duplicate key, let's say age, and if I say some value like this, we will not get the compilation error. But if I run my application now, you will notice we will get a runtime error. An item with the same key has already been added, key age. So basically what the compiler is saying, we already have a key with the name of age and we cannot add one more key with the same name. So basically the key will be unique in a dictionary, right? So let's say you have thousands of key value pairs and you want to get one of the value, right? So instead of iterating through all the 1,000 key value pairs, what you can do, you can directly use your dictionary object, and within the square bracket you can provide the key which you want to access. Let me provide name here and let's print it with console.writeLine, and that's it. If I run my program now, you will notice I'm getting the value Bob. So I have not used any for loop or for each loop to iterate through the complete dictionary. I am just simply giving the name of the key, and dictionary is able to fetch me the value which is stored against that particular key. Because of this, dictionary provides a fast lookups for values using keys. Keys in a dictionary must be unique. In that we have seen we cannot provide a duplicate key in dictionary. Okay, so here are the some of the important methods and properties that are available in dictionary, which are add, remove, contain keys, contain value, clear, and try get value. And the properties which are available that are count, item, keys, and values. So let's see one by one each of the method. First, let's see add method. Add method, we have seen add method is used to add a new key value pair in a dictionary. If you notice here, we have used the add method to add a key value pair inside our dictionary. Similarly, we have a remove method. So using remove method, we can remove an item from the dictionary. Let me show you how. So I have called a remove method here and I have specified the key name. So what the remove method will do, it will remove the key which is with the name of name. Okay. So if I run my program now, I will get a runtime error, which is because the name key is not available now because we have removed the name key at line number 19. And if I try to access the name key again, I will get key not found exception. The given key name was not present in the dictionary. So we can use a remove method to remove any key from the dictionary. Next method is contains key. Contains key basically is used to check if we have a key in a dictionary or not. Let me remove this and let's see what will happen if I call contains key method, right? Let me pass age this time. And if you notice here, the return type of the contains key method is Boolean. So if the key is available in our dictionary, it will return true, else it will return false. Let's print out the result of it. You can notice we are receiving true here because we already have an age key stored in our dictionary object, right? And this method is useful when inserting a new key in our dictionary object, because using this we can make sure we are not inserting a duplicate key in our dictionary. So what we can do, we can call contains key method, and add the key that you want to store. Let me say I want to store email this time, and I can say contains key is false because I have used this symbol. It means if it is false, then it will come inside this if block, and inside this if block I can add my new key now, right? So first we are checking if the key is already present in the dictionary, and if it is not present, then only we are going ahead and adding that key in our dictionary. So now let's iterate through our dictionary and see what are the values available in our dictionary now. Right now you can see we have three key value pairs, and let's say if the key which we are trying to add is a duplicate one. Let's say I'm trying to add a age here, and this time you will notice we will not receive any runtime error because we have added the check to only add the key only if it is not present. That's why in the output we are seeing only two values, Bob and 25. Next method is contains value. So as the name suggests, it will check if the value is present or not. Let me show you how we can use this. So on my demo dictionary object, I can call contains value, and let's pass the value which I am checking. Let's say 25, and try to print the result of it. And if I run my program, I will get the true because 25 value is present against the age key. And if I try with some other value which is not present, I will get the false. Okay, so this is how you can use contain value method. Next method is clear. As the name suggests, this is used to remove all the keys from the dictionary, right? So you can call demo dot clear, right? And we have a count property that we can use on our dictionary object to get the number of elements present in the dictionary. So let's use that property and try to print the count after calling the clear method, and let's try to print the count before calling the clear method also. Okay, so let's see what will happen now. So before calling the clear method, I have the count as 2, and after calling the clear method, the count will become 0. So clear can be used to clear out all the elements which are present in the dictionary. Okay. The next method is try get value. If you notice, try get value takes two parameters. First one is the key that we want to pass, and the second one is an out parameter. So what will happen if we have any value against the key which we are passing? That time it will return that value in this out variable. So let me declare a string as equal to, let me initialize it with blank string, and let me call try get value with the name key. Okay, if I run the program now, you will notice the s variable is got initialized with the bob value. So this is how you can use try get value. The benefit of using try get value is we will not get any runtime error even if the key is present or not. If I send some random key here and run the program, you can see we are not getting any runtime error. So guys, you can use try get value to make sure you are not receiving any runtime errors when trying to access a key which you are not sure if it is present or not present in the dictionary. So there are some properties that we will see now. First one is the count that we have already seen. And this can be used to find the number of elements present in the dictionary. Second property is item. Okay, item property is basically not available in C#. It is available only in Visual Basic language. So let's see the next property, that is keys. And keys property we have already seen. Keys can be used to iterate through all the elements of a dictionary. like this. So when you call the keys property, it will return the list of keys, and we can use that list of keys to iterate through the dictionary and access each and every element, right? So we can use keys property to get all the keys. Similarly, we have the values property to get all the values. If I run my program, I will get the values which are available in my dictionary. And these are the methods which we have discussed. Add to add a new key value pair, clear to remove all the keys, remove to remove the element with a specific key. So we can pass the key and that key will be removed from the dictionary. Contains key to check if the key is present in the dictionary or not. Contains value to check if a specific value is present or not in a dictionary. Count to get the number of elements present in the dictionary, and clear to remove all the elements from the dictionary. And that's it for this video, guys. In the next video, we will continue our discussion on dictionary and learn how we can use predicates in dictionary.